Function is going to be called get files listing. It's going to take in a directory, a base directory. It's going to save all the files that it finds in an array. It checks if the directory is a directory by calling it isDir function. And then it says if dh is equal to open directory, put in dir. So if that is fine, then we say if, oh no, we get there. So we say while file is equal to read dir dh not equal to false. We are doing something wrong. You have too many equal signs. If not an array, here we are excluding some things we don't want. So that is the dots and the dots. So we don't want those because those get added, and then we just add the file to the files array. It says after the while. We close. I've seen another error. I'm going to deal with that just now. This is not a variable, it's a function. Alright, and then we return files. So I'm going to test this. And then I'm going to test it, and then I'm going to explain it. But dir is a global variable. Well, yeah, it's global. Well, it's up here. Yes, it's global. I am correct. So let's test this. Do we get any errors? No, we do not. That's great, isn't it? No errors. But we want to add some space to it, and we also want to give it files listing. Alright. So this is our list of files based on the directory. Based on the get files listing function. Alright. Open dir, open directory, handle, what it returns a directory, handle resource on success. So that is what dh is, and we say while file is equal to read dir, read entry from directory, handle returns entry name on success or false on failure. So it returns the file. Once it's not equal to false, we can go ahead and put it within the array. Often you'll get dot and dot dot, which represents what do you call it? I can't remember what you call it, but it represents like subdirectories, and we don't want those to be listed, so we use the in array to exclude them. Close the ir, and then we return the files. Alright, so our next